Kristen here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a non-clickable link in your menu. So you can see on my own website here, I have this web design option, and then when you hover over, it shows the different services that I have for this particular thing. And the problem is, whenever I click on web design, currently it goes to my full web design page, which would be this one. I did this because at first I only offered full web design. And now that my services are changing and being added to, I started adding pages, but this is a little confusing. What I want is the icon to not change when they hover over. So then somebody would have to choose which option they actually want. So how we're going to do that, you can see that I'm already logged into Elementor. But what I'm going to do is hover over my name and go to menus. You can also go to just the back end of your dashboard, go to appearance and click menus. But either way, all right, I'm going to move my face a little bit. Now, when we come down here, you can see that my web design is an actual page in my website. So what I want to do is actually create a custom link. I don't want this link to go anywhere. So if I leave this blank and then do web design here and try to add it to the menu, it's not going to work because WordPress wants you to have something here. So we can just do a £, add it to the menu, and you can see it's down here. Now, because I already have kind of this structure, I'm going to drag this up here so it's in the same order, and I'm going to drag these over to this option and just delete this part of my menu. So it's going to look somewhat of the same, but you'll see. So I'm going to save my menu and go back to my website, and you will see that now it still says web design, but it doesn't change my icon. It still looks clickable. But you can see in the bottom left-hand side, if I do click on it, it's not going to go anywhere. Basically, what's going to happen is when you scroll down and someone does click on it, it's just going to pop them up to the top of whatever page they're on. So one last step we need to make sure we do in the menus is come down here to web design. And even though we needed something to add this to our menu, we now can delete this £, and it's going to solve all of our problems. So I'm just going to save my menu and go back, and you'll see now that the icon I can't click. It's not going to do anything, but it makes me want to go to one of these. So that's exactly what we wanted. Now, another thing that if you had any kind of issue with when you change this, the text changed the colors. This happens on most of my websites. If you had any kind of backend color settings or global colors, whatever, this might happen. So just a quick fix for that is just go to your header to edit it, click to edit the entire thing, come over here to style, and then change your text color. Right now, it would probably just say default. So click in your global colors and pick the one that you want them all to be, and you'll be all set. I hope this helped. I really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what the next tutorial you want to see is. Bye.